Hey, welcome back to the channel. It has been a while. This video will be a bit of a different one, and the reason is we've kind of got a bit of a project on our hands, and it will mean, what it will mean is quite a few videos will stem out of this one. This is our new purchase, and I'll give you a bit of a walkthrough kind of before it's been renovated or touched really. So this is the front entrance door. It's all in these Besser block, concrete blocks that have kind of been a brushed render finish. This put off lots of the buyers when we were looking at this with other, when it was open, lots of people were put off by this. So from the entrance, there's steps running up here to a kitchen, complete with a 1980s fridge. So this was probably the peak of luxury back then, with water and ice and plumbed in. So anyway, their plan is for this whole area is to be renovated. We've got some plans going on about what we do with the kitchen. We've got city views out there. I don't know whether you can see those. This is like a bit of a meals, eating kind of area. Oh yeah, I've got to show you this. The intercom. Now this was the absolute peak of luxury in 1987 when this house was made. Each room has its own intercom. I think you can just basically talk to each other or put radio through it or something. It's not that fancy by today's standard, but back then this was the bee's knees. And interestingly, like even the appliances for back then, we've got Miele oven, Gaggenau or whatever that is. I'm pretty sure that's a fancy brand as well. So like, yeah, some money spent. Got a light that comes on automatically in the pantry. So this is like kind of the main floor, if you like, or the kitchen living. Then we've got another set of stairs here, which takes you up to another kind of sitting room. We've got a fireplace over there. These kind of weird half walls that I imagine it lets the heat and the bit of the light through. Like high windows here that let the morning, afternoon light in. Off this is a study. We've kind of got the essentials going. We've got internet in here. These walls are all going to have something done to them, so we've kind of got some plans around that. Through here is the master bedroom. What we've done is we have put some sample colours on the wall, and actually when we put some sample colours, we noticed that the wall comes up quite a nice texture. So some of the walls we're doing like this, and you'll see that later in this video down the bottom. I've started to paint some of those just with some undercoat and some of these top coats, and it looks quite good. Again, more windows. Glass bricks were a thing, and they're kind of coming back in actually. So yeah, even in the bathroom there, glass bricks. So this one's the ensuite. It's got a spa with a shower over the spa, and a toilet. But yeah, needs updating very badly. So we'll be doing that. And over in this corner is the walk-in robe. Gun safe here, but we'll get rid of that and put in some inbuilt robes in here. There's a little bar off here, which is kind of a bit weird. We'll see what we can do with that. And then if we walk back down the other way, we kind of call it the kids area. So if we go down here, and this is more where I've started doing some renovations to the place. We've got a bathroom again in bad need of an upgrade, so that will be high on the priority list. But we've got this space here, which is like another rumpus room. Ignore my desk, I'm just doing a bit of work while I do some renos. And off this, we've got cupboards here. We've got a laundry in here, very small, again, glass bricks. We've got a bedroom here. So this used to have a mezzanine in it. I've removed the mezzanine because it was kind of cobbled together. Didn't look that good, but yeah, this is one of the kids' bedrooms. Across here, we've got another kids' bedroom. It's got like a bit of a desk nook there, robe, and outside, like a door to the outside. And then in here we've got one more bedroom, which is like, they're all smallish but good enough for a bedroom. And then finally out here is down to another set of stairs that goes down to the garage. So yeah, as you can see, we've got quite a bit of work on our hands. All of this place came with no floor coverings, no window coverings, very original. This is a 1987 home. We reached out and got the plans for the home. It's a Fasham Johnson home from 1987. So it's architecturally built, but just, yeah, left as it was in 1987. And these inside walls are very unusual. I don't think I could put up with them for 40 years or whatever it is, best part of 40 years. So yeah, we really are gonna have to do quite a few renovations, and yeah, I'll be putting what I do on this channel. We're gonna get a bit of help with some of the bathrooms and so forth to get that fast tracked. But yeah, got plenty of plans for this. Hopefully plenty of videos on the channel, and we'll get a bit more active, and I'll show you what we get up to, and hopefully it can help out some of your DIY aspirations as well. Anyway, if you want to see more, click that subscribe button, and we will be pumping out the videos as quickly as we can, and you'll start to see how this place takes shape. Thanks all, catch you soon.